In this film, we will show you the replacement of Mercedes-Benz W211 rear airbag. The film only shows the steps of unilateral replacement. In fact, the airbag should be replaced in pairs. Prepare the rear airbag. Measure and record the body height. Remove the boot inner baffle. Remove the shock absorber top bracket screws. Remove the rear tire. Raise the vehicle. Loosen the pressure line on the pressure divider at the bottom of the vehicle. Bleed the vehicle. Remove the solenoid valve cable. Remove the fixing bolts at the bottom of the shock absorber. Then take out the shock absorber. Loosen the air pipe on the other side. Then remove the fixing bolts connecting the airbag to the lower fork arm. Remove cable plug. Then the airbag can be removed. Install the air nozzle on the new airbag. Replace the retaining clip. Install the new airbag back on the vehicle. Support the brake module with a hydraulic jack. Then install the lower fixing bolt of the airbag. Replace the air pipe. Replace the pressure line and pressure divider at the bottom of the vehicle. Replace the cable plug. Then replace the shock absorber. Replace the solenoid valve cable. Lower the vehicle. Establish connection with testing equipment. Inflate the airbag. Then install the special positioning tool. Measure the height from the center of the hub to the bottom of the fender. Is it the same as before? Hydraulic jacking to the same height. Then tighten the bottom fixing screw. Replace the bottom guard. Replace the fender. Finally, replace the tire. Tighten the top bracket screws. Replace the trunk trim panel. Installation is complete. After installation, four-wheel alignment should be carried out in principle.